Bicycle transport may seem to be a thing of the past, but benefits associated with the train continue to give hope to those who see it as a means of survival. We took to the suburb of Kawempe, one of the 5 divisions that make up Kampala, to acquaint ourselves with the bicycle transport. Despite its numerous recognized benefits, the use of bicycle transport seems to be regarded as a means of travel for the poor. However, this has not been the case with Sechanzi David, a 39-year-old resident of Kawempe, who has been operating a bicycle transport business for over 7 years. We bumped into Sechanzi as he was making his traffic maneuvers, a thing he does every other day.
Nsobodo okuwerera ko mwana wange kati ali mu senior 3 na ninayo nakalenzi kali mu P7 kakenda kutula mwaka guno.
Sechanzi's dream is to see a city with roads that have reservations for cyclists, which he says is more efficient than walking in terms of speed and distances covered, and is less affected by delays.
Kati wanoze nfuna ebintu bibiri mu kimu. Nkuma mubiri ate ne nfuna mu nakasente.
It is worth noting that although bicycle transport can be quite unsafe and expose users to pollution, among other disadvantages, its advantages outweigh them. Our team caught up with some cyclists on the streets of Kampala, and this is what they had to say.
It is really healthy. For people who see, when you are in the gym, you know that thing when you are running and it's like you are on a bicycle. It's really exercising us, though some people may not know that it gives some exercise to us.
So riding a bicycle is not easy because you can find border, they misbehave. These people of the taxis, we are not of the same hearts, the same characters. People behave anyhow on the road.
Amanda Ngabirano, a bicycle enthusiast and senior lecturer of urban planning at the College of Engineering and Design Art of Makerere University, puts to perspective the benefits of cycling.
Because it has to do with health, it has to do with the environment, it has to do with the finances of people. People are not going to spend a huge amount of money off their salaries on mobility, on transport costs. It's very expensive, transport. Everybody moves to wherever and they have to pay so much to move. Why? So how do you tell people that you need to learn how to invest? How do you invest before saving? And how can you save when you're spending so much money on transport costs? And then in the long term, you're having unhealthy people who are obese. Yet they could be working out as they move. So you would cut down health costs as well. So politicians should grab this as an opportunity to be relevant to their communities, to their cities, to their towns, to their country.
Ngabirano shares her dream with Sechanzi of seeing roads with cycling lanes and a properly planned transport system within Kampala. The Kampala City Council Authority publicist Peter Kauju affirms KCC's master plan that, among other things, looks at non-motorized transport as part of the authority's priority areas.
It's a pilot we are undertaking with a number of other partners like Makerere University, and we hope it's going to work for us. Actually, people there's a big percentage of people who would want to cycle, who would want to walk, but they also want to be very sure about their safety. So that is what we are working on. We have a section in charge of transport, and we've been putting together and reading and running through quite a number of concepts which will add up to the pilot we are implementing.
Bicycle riding comes with 2 benefits. One, easy access and flexibility. And secondly, it reduces your chances of visiting a health facility because of weight-related problems. Reporting from Makerere University, I'm Bonye Remigius.